In this video, I'll show you how you can clear the cache on your OnePlus Watch 4. All you have to do is access the settings. So the easiest way is by simply swiping down from the watch face to access the control center, and then tap on the settings wheel icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, scroll down and select apps and notifications. Tap on that, and then scroll down and choose app info. And then find the app that you'd like to clear the cache for. So scroll down, let's say for instance, Spotify. So tap on it, and then scroll down and find the app info option. Tap on it, and then scroll down again to the bottom, and you should see the clear cache option. So tap on it, and then you should see a confirmation cache has been cleared. And then you can tap on the check mark, and you can exit that particular application. You can do the same for all the other applications that you'd like to clear the cache. So let's say for instance this one, tap on it, scroll down, tap on app info, scroll down to the bottom and select clear cache, and you should see the confirmation right there. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.